Hi, this is Madeline Chapolit, and here's another activity 2.2.3 Configure Ethernet interfaces for IP on host and routers. The learning objectives: configure IP information on Ethernet interfaces in a network, configure IP information on PC, configure IP information on router Ethernet interfaces, verify proper operation, verify interface status on the routers, verify connectivity between host and routers, observe ERP operations. So in task 1, configure IP information on Ethernet interfaces in a network. So step 1, configure IP information on PCs. Configure the IP information. Then so PC 1. So let's click first the PC 1. So let's go to the desktop window. IP configuration. So the IP address in PC 1 is 172.168.3.10. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.255.0, and the default gateway 172.168.3.1. And let's proceed to the PC2. Click the desktop and IP address. So let's type the IP address in PC1 in PC2 172.168.1.10. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. The default gateway is 172.168.1.10. I know. 1. Okay, let's proceed to PC3. So IP configuration, IP address is 192.168.2.10. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then the default gateway is 192.168.2 and 1. Okay, so let's proceed to the step 2, configure IP information on router Ethernet interfaces. Okay, so router 1. Router 1. So enter, enable config and enter interface plus Ethernet 0/0. Then IP address will be 172.163.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0. The next is invalid detected IP address. So, saan yung 172.168.255.255.031 IP address. So, asa yung okay. IP, yung address is mali. Address 172.16.3.1 then space 255, the subnet mask 255.255.0. Okay, and let's enter no shutdown. Enter, then Control Z. Okay, let's proceed to router 2. Config, so enter, enable, config T, then interface FE fast Ethernet 0, then IP address address 172, yes, 16.1.1, then subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and then no shutdown. Enter, then Control Z. Okay, let's proceed to router 3. Okay, enter, then enable, then config T, then interface FA or fast Ethernet 0/0, then IP address 192.168, then 2.1 space, then 255, the subnet mask 10.55.0. Enter. Then no shutdown. Enter, and Control Z. And let's proceed to task 2, verify proper operation. Step 1, verify interface status on the routers. On each of 3 routers, verify the status of past Ethernet interfaces by using the command show IP interface brief. So, show IP interface brief. So, saan to dapat? So, task 2, verify proper operation. So, verify interface status show. So, show IP interface brief. Enter. So, here's the IP address in the router. So, as we can see here, the past Ethernet 0/0. Here is stated yes, manual up. The protocol here is up. So, the IP address here is correct. And let's proceed to router 2. So, IP address, show IP interface brief. So here we can see also the IP address is manual up, protocols up. So it's correct. And router 3, show IP interface then brief. Enter. So here also, yes, manual up, method status okay, and the protocols up. Okay. Next, verify connectivity between host and routers. So from PC1 command prompt, so let's click the PC1 and let's proceed to the command prompt and type ERP dash space dash A, enter. So internet address, physical address type, and then ping show ARP. So R1 on router 1, issue command from show ARP. So router 1, issue command show ARP. Show ARP. Okay. So IP address, hardware interface, bus Ethernet.